Hello guys, welcome to this video. Today I will show with you how to cancel web membership. First guys, log into your account on web or application and click membership, and step 2, scroll down and go to cancel membership section and click cancel your membership button. And step 4, choose what you want to pay, buy out your remaining commitment applicable, if applicable, or cancel the end of your term. And step 5, follow on screen instruction to complete the cancellation process. And log if you are still within your commitment period, you can't cancel membership outright, but you have a few options. Wait until the end of commitment period and cancel the script above. And step, you can contact customer support, discuss your option, and maybe able offer you priority refund or work with find a solution. Thanks guys for watching this video. I'll see you in another video.